If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To sign up for a free trial of QuickBooks Online, visit https://quickbooks.intuit.com/free-trial/ in a web browser. Then, select a subscription, sign in, and create the related subscription's company file. This tutorial covers the QuickBooks Online Plus subscription for a company file. At the site, follow the on-screen instructions to select a free 30-day trial and select a subscription plan. You then arrive at a page where you can either create a new Intuit account or click the Sign In link to sign in with an existing Intuit account. Note that this user account is also the initial primary admin user for your company file. After creating a new account or signing in, you must then enter billing information for the company file, read and acknowledge the billing terms, and then click the Subscribe button. It is very important to note that if you select the 30-day free trial, you must cancel the company file prior to the 30-day expiration date to avoid being automatically charged by Intuit. After subscribing, you then proceed through an initial setup wizard that asks you how to set up your company file. Proceed through the wizard answering its questions to create your initial company file and view it in QuickBooks Online. You can use the same Intuit ID to create multiple company files if desired, but each one requires you to go through the same process of selecting a free trial subscription plan, signing in, and then creating the company file for the selected subscription. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.